Yes, what is going on, guys? So many modern smartphones have a dual SIM slot, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can take advantage of it and save money. Let's go! So straight into it. Basically the strategy is, since you have a dual SIM slot, you can get two SIMs, so you can get two different mobile plans. And you're wondering, wait, what? Two different plans? But you said we're going to save money. But hear me out. So what you're going to do is you're going to get one prepaid long-term plan. It could be either 6 months or 12 months, it doesn't really matter. And in the other SIM slot, we're going to get SIMs on promotion. So what exactly does that mean? So basically, when companies want new customers, they'll sell their plans at a lower price than they usually do. For example, Kogan had a deal a couple of weeks ago where you could get 32 gigabytes for 99 cents. And that's an amazing deal. But of course this is not the actual price that the plan goes for. The plan usually goes for $40. But in this case, since it was a promotion, they made it a lot cheaper. So what I did, I bought this plan, but I also had my long-term prepaid plan as well. So I had one number that anyone could call me on and I could still reply. Now the other plan that I got, which is 32 gigs of data, I used that for 1 month, and before the month ended, I turned off auto top up so I wouldn't have to pay the actual 40 gigs. Then in the next month, I tried to look for a new promotion that I could use. And then I did the same thing again. This is what you do. You keep an eye out for different promotions that you could get and stock up on them, so that in each month, you could always have a new different cheap plan. Occasionally, you can find a plan that goes for more than a month. So the other day, I found a plan on Groupon which goes for 4 months for $10. This comes to around $2.50 a month, and this is still an amazing deal. In both these examples, they both come with unlimited text and calls. So you technically have another number you can also use if you wanted to. And you might be thinking, I don't need a dual SIM slot to do this, and no you don't. But it's a lot easier to do this strategy when you have another SIM plan. Otherwise, you have to keep porting your number every single month to a different company, and this is a real pain and a waste of time. I hope you found this neat trick to use your dual SIM slot to save money really helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe for more content, and until next time, don't forget to keep it real.